Hey guys, I'm talking about the development of unfired clay building material using brick dust waste and Mercia mudstone clay. Well, introduction. This paper reports on investigations work aimed at developing a stabilized clay building material using brick dust waste and Mercia mudstone clays in order to boost environmental technologies while straining economic growth and competitiveness. The development of products using recycled and secondary raw materials as an alternative to primary raw materials should be encouraged worldwide. Research hypothesis. Pozzolans are materials that are not cementitious datas in themselves, but contain constitutes which will combine with the lime temperatures at ordinary temperatures in the presence of water to form stable compounds possessing cementing properties. Methodology. Well, one of the materials that they use in this report is the break those ways. In the tables, you can see the chemical and mineralogical composition, the consistence limits, and other properties. The other property is that a specific gravity, ball density, maximum dry density, optimum moisture content, color. Well, the other material is the Mercia mudstone clay. In this table, you can see some engineering properties and Mercia mudstone clay. pH, plasticity index, plastic limit, linear shrinkage. And the ultimate material is ground granulated blasternate slag, or GGBS. In the table you can see the oxide and some chemical composition of this material and some physical properties of this material. The mix design. For the methodology. The control mix used 3% quicklime and 11% GGBS to stabilize Mercia mudstone clay. Four major blends were considered for this study after the preliminary trials. In the table 6, you can see mixed compositions for one cylinder test specimens. For this practice, they used four cylinders specimens and one cylinder specimen of control. Preparation of test specimens. The specimens were most cured for 3, 7, 14, 20, 28, and 56 date and room temperature of about 20 grades. Testing. The unconfined compressive strength testing of the laboratory cylinder specimens was carried out using a Housefield testing machine. The linear expansion test was carried out using a dial gauge linked with a plastic container. Results. Unconfined compressive strength. The cylinder specimen number 4 is that have high unconfined compressive strength, and in the same way, this cylinder number 4 is that have water absorption most higher. And the linear expansion is to most higher in the specimen cylinder number 4, and freezing and thawing is most higher in the specimen number 4, or me E4. Discussions and conclusions. Like the unconfined compressive strength behavior, the variation in water absorption follow a similar fashion. Higher initial water absorption then slow down as the curing age increases. For all mixer, the water absorption rate is higher during the first 3-7 days of moist curing and at later age lower and fire stable. The results obtained suggest that there is a potential for the use of brick dust waste BDW as partial substitutes of Mercia mudstone clay for unfired clay building material development, brick, block, and mortar within the building industry of the other various established soil applications. Thanks.